This is a medeco biaxial. Lawlock tools, 47 thousandths, number 4 from the reefer set. Well, I might start out with the number 3. One is loose. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I don't know, I might need to hit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Alright. There's 1. That might have been 6. 3, 5. I just overset number 1. Nope. Number 1 just needed to be pushed up a little bit. But that was the medeco biaxial. I got kind of lucky when I raked it, and all I really had to do was set 1 or 2 of the key pins in the right direction, and it fell into the false set.